60% of the respondents were interviewed by phone, and 20%, what's it say? 20% of those interviewed over the phone. So they had a phone interview, but they were asked to come back in person. Phone and however you want to write that, in person. And we're trying to figure out how many people responded. So let's let X be the number responded. And we know there were 3 people that were asked to come in for a live interview. So if you take 0.6 times the number of people that responded, that will give you the number that were given a phone interview. Okay? And if I take 0.2 times the number of people that were interviewed by phone, that will give me the number of people that were called in for a personal interview. And we know that number is 3. So that's 0.12x equal 3. X is 3 divided by 0.12. You can do long division if you want to, but I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 100. That's 3 times 100 over 12. I multiply by 100 over 100 because I wanted that 0.12 to be a whole number. So now watch. 3 will go into 12 4 times. 4 will go into 125 times. And that's your answer.